Spice Boulevard, your own YouTube channel for food and travel. This is cauliflower season now. We'll make some Indian cauliflower delicacy. Today we'll make chili gobi or cauliflower with spices, Indian spices and chilies.
Let's try this.
Okay, so for this we have turmeric, salt, garam masala powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, curd. This is corn flour, rice powder. We have pepper powder here. This is a special masala. This has got garlic, ginger and Kashmiri mirchi ground paste. Some onion, chilies, 2 eggs, fresh lime juice, oil as required. These are the main ingredients. Now we'll start mixing. This curd, add a bit of salt as per taste, little turmeric, then a bit of garam masala powder, a little coriander powder, some jeera powder. This is an Indian recipe full of Indian dishes. Okay, now to this we will add corn flour. Corn flour also about 4 teaspoons. Mix this well. 2 spoons of rice powder. Rice powder will make it very crispy. That's why we added 2 spoons of rice powder. And a pinch of pepper on this. Again mix well. Add about half lime juice, that is about 1.5 spoons of lime juice. Then to this add this masala. This is made of ginger, garlic and Kashmiri mirchi. This is homegrown masala. So here other than this garam masala, everything else almost is homegrown only. This is about 4 spoons of this I'm adding. Now to this mix we'll add 2 eggs. Eggs will make it very fluid, little bit fluid. Cauliflower is cleaned. They kept in warm water with salt and turmeric to remove all the pesticides and all that. Now after that it's again cleaned in hot water. Okay, it's more than 1 hour it's been soaked. Now this is dry almost, this cauliflower. This is a strainer. Now we'll add cauliflower to this mix. Frying pan, oil is hot now. This is our cauliflower mix. Now we're just checking oil is hot or not. You take a small piece, put inside. Oh wow, it's coming up now. It's ready for frying. We take about 5 to 6 pieces at one time. Put them in hot oil. Deep fry. Okay. Yeah. Don't mix it for any time. Just wait for about a minute. It gets hot. After that only we'll turn it on. It is almost deep fry now. It's become golden brown. Now I think you can slowly take out this batch. Chili gobi is taken out now. We'll divide it into 2 portions. Okay, this will be only for fry. The friends who like deep fried ones. We'll also make a gravy. That is for the guys who want it with a gravy. Okay. To this chili gobi dry, we add onion, garlic. Rather, onion and chili is fried. Okay, deep fried. Deep fried onion and chili, the same oil. We'll add to it. This will be for the dry portion. We'll prepare separate gravy for the gravy portion. Deep fried chilies and onion is put on the dry gobi. Chili gobi. Okay, our dry chili gobi is ready for serving. Now we will make the dish with gravy separately. This is for friends who like dry chili gobi. Adding onions. Okay, to the onion. Capsicum I am adding to same. Okay, we keep this in a medium flame now. Base to the curd we will add a little salt, some turmeric. We are not using any food color. We would add again little garam masala, little coriander powder, a pinch of jeera powder and lemon juice along with 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. We mix this well. Our onion, spring onions and capsicum is getting stirred in the pan. We'll add this mixture to that. Mix now with curd, lime, garlic. Oh no, garlic in it. There's this pepper, jeera powder, salt, turmeric, everything I am adding to the spring onion and capsicum mix. The chili gobi initial mix we made, no, in that add some water to that same bowl. All the masalas in the bowl can be taken well with the water. That same water can also add it to the base which you are making with onions, spring onions, capsicum. The gravy base. Okay. This is for the friends who like chili gobi with gravy base. This is Indian chili gobi, no sauces, no Chinese elements, purely Indian chili gobi with Indian spices. Okay. Now we will mix it for some time. Keep it simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes. After that, we'll change it into a serving bowl. Our chili gobi with gravy is ready now. Before serving, we'll garnish with spring onion. Friends, enjoy the chili gobi through a Spice Bollywood channel. Thank you.